Hi guys, welcome to my course, the Email Marketing Masterclass, all features and tools. My name is Tanmoy Kumar Das. Just to give you a background about myself, I am a ex-Google employee with 16 years of experience into PPC advertising, and I've been teaching PPC advertising for more than 10 years now, and I teach to a lot of young professionals, entrepreneurs, and experts who want to get into this field. I wanted to take this opportunity today to let you know what you're going to learn in this particular course. So, we're going to look at starting from the email marketing overview, how to build an email list. We'll see how you can create a lead magnet, how you can manage your subscribers over here, creating a landing page. Also, I will show you how you can do email automation and create different types of email campaigns as well and optimize them. We will also see how we can do A/B testing of email campaigns and then different types of email formats and how to schedule them. Also, by the end of the course, I will share with you a lot of supporting resources related to email marketing. I hope by the end of the course, you understand how to use email marketing in your business and for your clients. So thank you once again, guys, and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.